Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been forever since I posted. If you're seeing this, when I think you will, before any other videos, because it's been about 3 weeks since I posted a video. I've literally been working on editing an empties video for like a week now, and I can't get the full video onto my computer. The end of it just goes black. So I'm really annoyed with that. So we're trying this. And today, let me like get myself centered here. Today I am just gonna do a good old-fashioned tutorial, and we're going to do a fall makeup look because it is fall. And I'm gonna be using the Juvias Place Tribe palette. I think that this is a great fall palette, and this is what it looks like. And I did do a first impression on this palette, but you know, it didn't get onto my computer. So I'm just gonna do a fall look with this palette. This is not a first impression or anything. I really love this palette, but I really feel like it's perfect for fall. So that's what I'm doing, okay? I think I'm gonna do like orange and browns on my top lid, and then greens on the bottom. I'm gonna do like a halo eye type thing. It's probably not gonna be a normal, typical halo eye because I do have hooded eyes, and it's a little bit difficult to do a regular old halo eye, and plus I like to mix it up a little bit. But I'm going to start by using some eyeshadow. I'm going to start by taking this orange called Oromo. I'm probably going to butcher all of these names, so I might just tell you. I only have concealer on my eyelids right now, and it's been a little while since it's been on because I had to go drop my son off at preschool. But here we are. So I'm going to start by putting this on my inner and outer corner, and also through my crease a little bit. I really like this palette a lot, and I think it's a really, really good fall palette, as I just said. So if you guys don't know, I like started doing makeup on my channel by doing some fun Halloween looks, and I had a lot of fun doing them last year, but I want suggestions of things that you guys would like to see this year for Halloween looks so I can start working on them, because I would like to try to post at least like one fun Halloween look each week during October. So I want suggestions, so please give me suggestions. Last year I did a zombie. What else did I do? I did a zombie, a cat, and I thought that there was one more. I can't remember what else I did, but I had a lot of fun doing those, and I'm just very excited to do, I was gonna say Thanksgiving. I'm excited to do more Halloween looks, so I really would like to know what you guys want to see for those. Alright, now I'm going to take Ashanti, this like awesome brown green, I love it. I don't know how to explain it, but I love it, this brown here, just to deepen up the outer and inner corner. I'm not going to bring this through my crease. Depending on your eye shape, you might be able to do that, and I kind of have to fake it a little bit because I have hooded eyes, so I have to bring my like center shade up onto my lid, so it's hard to get up over my crease, so it's hard to get the crease deepened up. I kind of have to fake it. Well, that's just the way I feel like it turns out better on my eye, and I'll kind of like dust over the top with this shade, but we're really not going to be able to see the colors there quite as much. I haven't done a halo eye in forever. I mess them up a lot. I'm not the best at it, but whatever. Okay. I'll probably have to go in and touch those up a little bit, but I am going to find a flat brush. And I am going to spray these shimmers before I put them on, just so you know. But I'm first going to take Chaga, this like middle shade. It's a really pretty like duochrome once you get it on. And then I'll probably lighten it up in the center with Coral. We'll see. I want to kind of incorporate this orange, but I'm not sure. So I'm going to start with this one in the center, and then we'll go from there. Has a really pretty like green shift to it almost. I don't know. I like it a lot. And I do need to bring this up pretty high to get the halo eye effect because my eyes are so hooded. Ooh, it's pretty. Alright, now I'm going to take this lighter shade and tap that in the center. I'm going to spray this one as well. I love this lighter shade. It is just gorgeous. I've been using it a lot to highlight my inner corner, brow bone, even highlight my face with it. I just love it so much. I can't decide if I want to go in with this orange on the outer edges. Alright, I think I am going to grab a little bit of this Curla. It's the orange shimmer in this palette, and just very slightly tap this on the edges. Not too much, but just to bring some of that orange back into the look. Ooh. Okay, that's what we're looking like so far. So now I'm just going to pop back into that matte orange a little bit. Again, just to keep the orange there and just blend out all these edges real good. Alright, so I'm going to jump into the lower lash line for a minute. Where is the brush I want? Hello? Okay, so I think I want to go greens on the lower lash line just to give a little color. I don't know. You know what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with this same brown, and then I'm going to blend it out with this green up here. So I'm going to put this closer to the lash line, because this brown does have some like greenish undertones, and I think that will work fine. I'm going to bring this about 2/3 of the way in, and then go in with the green. Actually, I'm going to bring it all the way because Hi. Hey, why? Okay, now I'm gonna hop into Tootsie, the green. Oh yeah, I like that. And I am going to bring some of this green into the inner corner before I go in with the shimmer, just to make it all go together, you know. Alright, so now I'm going to take Masai, I don't know, this really awesome lime greenish color, just to lighten that inner corner up a little bit. And I'm going to use this to blend out the bottom a little as well, and also the top. Yay, I like the way this is turning out. Alright, so what am I going to do now? Hello. I'm going to use Coro to highlight my inner corner as well. I always highlight my inner corner even when I do a halo eye because I just like that brightened look. I am going to spray this color and bring it along my lower lash line as well, kind of up a little bit closer to my lashes. And then I think it's gonna be done. Ooh, yes. I think if I add anything else to this, I'm just going to mess it up, and I really like the way it's looking, and I think it's gonna look a lot better once I have like mascara and stuff on. But I am going to use this eyeliner. This is a dollar store eyeliner. It's the brand BSN. It's a lip and eyeliner. It's in the shade Mink. It's like an orangey brown. I'm just gonna throw this in my waterline. And I'm going to clean up this fallout, throw some mascara on, and I'll be right back with the finished look. Alright guys, that's it. I'm done. And I used my Thrive Liquid Lash Extensions mascara on my top lashes, but I decided to go with green on my bottom. I don't even know if you can tell, but I used my Hard Candy, you know, mascara. Hi. Is there like a shade name or something? No? Well, whatever. It's green. Because I have green shadow down there, you probably can't tell very much, but it just looks like that. And yep, I used that on my lower lashes. And I really like the way that this came out. But yep, this entire look came from this Juvias Place Tribe palette. I love this palette so much. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you'd like to see more fall looks, maybe some easier ones, or I could do like a 3 looks 1 palette with this palette for all like fall looks, because it is a very fall palette. Just, you know, let me know. Sound off in the comments. Let me know what you would like to see next, and don't forget to tell me what you are interested in for Halloween looks, because I'm super excited to start researching this and start doing things. I have way more stuff available to me than I had last year when I was first starting out with doing makeup on my channel. So yeah, I'm excited. Just let me know in the comments, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more from me. If not, that's fine too. Just thank you for watching this video, and I will see you guys next time.